Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Put the AirPods Copy in the open case and hold the setup button until the LED flashes. This forces discoverable mode. On your Android, open Settings and turn Bluetooth on. Make sure location permission is enabled because newer Android versions require it for scanning. Once you see a device name resembling your buds, tap to pair. You may be prompted to accept a pairing request. If a PIN appears, try 0000 or 1234. These are common defaults for clones. Once connected, verify media and call audio profiles are active. Open Bluetooth device details and ensure A2DP and HFP are enabled for music and calls. Make sure system volume and app volume are up, then play a test track to confirm stereo sound or mono depending on the clone. If you need controls like double tap mapped, use a companion app or a third-party Bluetooth utility to remap actions. Once done, walk around to test range. Interference can drop audio quality. To finish, ensure automatic reconnection works. Close case, reopen, and watch Android reconnect. If reconnection fails, reset the AirPods Copy by holding the case button until LED behavior changes, then repair. If issues persist, clear Android Bluetooth cache in Settings. Right arrow apps. Right arrow show system. Right arrow Bluetooth, then reboot the phone. This removes stale pairings. One key troubleshooting tip. Test the earbuds on a second device to determine whether the problem is the headset or your Android.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.